Hello and welcome back to our course. Hope you are all doing well. This is the day 5 today that we are going to discuss. So, in the previous video, I have given you a very small assignment regarding the list. I hope you have all done. Still, you are facing some problem. Here we are going to discuss what that does mean. First of all, let me open the image that I have given as an assignment. So this was the image. It consists of various parts, means it should contain the heading, it should contain the item 1, item 2 and item 3. So let me open my web browser to show you how it will be available. See, this was the result that I have seen. First of all, the heading would be nesting list. I have given it h1, I guess h2, right? Okay, then item 1, item 2 and item 3. Let me show you the code for this. See, this was the code. I have given my page, the topic, my first page, okay, title. Okay, next was the heading, H2, okay. Next was the order list, OL. And this was type. Type I have already described that we can mention types that we want. It can be a Roman numbers, or it can be a alphabets, or it can be a numbering. So I have given type I, okay. Now I want that my sub list should be unordered and see, and the disk, what the disk means, it should have the bullet type, means it should be disk. Okay, I guess this code is easily understandable. Now we will see our next topic. As I guess you are facing some problem regarding styling. Okay, so we will see styling. Okay, what does HTML style means? The basically style tag is mainly used for explaining style information for an HTML document. Means if you want that your browser should contain any text in the red color, or your browser should contain some text in font size 50 pixel or font size 25 pixel. How you can do that? It's very easy. It should be done with the styling. How should we do that? We have a very small syntax I have given below. See, this was tag name, style, property, value. What does this tag name means? Tag name means what, for which particular tag you want to give the styling. For example, I want that my heading should be of that particular color. Now if I will describe it like this, h2 and style equals to property value. What does this property holds for? Property holds for the particular styling you want. You want that your heading should be of font size 50 pixels, so I will write that. Or you want that your color should be red, so I will write color colon red. Okay, how can you do that? Basically we have three types of styling with you when we are working on HTML documents. This come down to inline styles, embedded styles and external styles. Let me show you some code regarding that. See, let me open up my file and you will see that I have written here embedded style. Okay, here was inline styling and third one was this. Let me give it a command, external styling. Okay, so first of all we will understand what does this inline styling means. Inline styling is suitable only when you have a very small code, but when you have a very large code, mostly we prefer the external styling so that our code look beautiful. Okay, so you can do also the internal styling, means inline styling, but it is more preferable that you should do external styling. Okay, see, first of all we'll see inline styling. I have given a paragraph with the heading hello all, welcome to Nursery to Veracity, and here was style color red. See, style means that particular syntax I am talking about now. This consists of like P, tag name, it was P, style, okay, then equals to, in colon I have written property and value, right? So here property means color and value means red. Okay, and I have written that the text I am small. So whenever now you close that and open your open it in your web browser, you will see that I am small will be in color red. I am medium will be in color blue. I am large would be of font size 50 pixel. Okay. Okay, let me open it in the web browser. See, it has written I am small, I am medium, I am large. This is a heading. So I have given a small different colors to all. And I am large, it is in a big text because if you remember, I will show you the code. I have given it a font size of 50 pixels. See. I guess the inline styling we have done it. Okay, so you are clear with inline styling. Now let me cover up what does this embedded style means. See, we have seen that I have written here H2. Where is my H2? See, it is HTML images H2, right? And I have written here H2 color coral. Coral is a different type of the color. You can also write it as red. It will work that also. Let me save that file. Okay. See, embedded styles. What does that embedded style means? You are not going to code inside your body. What we will do, we will in the head portion, we will write like style and we will close it, and here we will give the different types of styling to our browser. Okay, let me open that and let me refresh it a little bit. See, this now visible as HTML image in red color. Okay, this is embedded styling. Okay, now let me show you external sliding. See, external styling here. What you have to do, you have to just write link and let me click it. Oh, I guess it would be acting as a comment. Let me remove that. See, I have written here link relative style sheet type text CSS href. This would be the link where our style means where our file would be saved. If I have saved it here like 30 days web development, in this would be saved like assignment solution day 5. In this I will write as day5.css, or if I want to give like index.css, I will do that. Okay, so we will see this topic mainly in the CSS part, so I'm not going into the much detail about external styling in this portion. Okay, now we will discuss our next topic, that is HTML colors. Colors are applied to a document using CSS property. You can also decide which part you want to give color to. Okay, and third, you can give colors by predefined color names or RGB or RGBA values. Means, let me show you my code. Okay, here we are. I have written H1 style color blue. This is my heading. So I have given it a color blue, right? In my slide, I have told the 3 points. First one was that we can give colors to a document. Second one was we can give the colors by writing the directly color name, or you can give it a RGB value. See, RGB 25, 99, 77 means R would be 255, G would be 99 and B would be 21. Red, green, blue. Okay, let me open my web browser. See, which was the text it was, how are you doing? See, how are you doing? This is having a color of, I guess, little bit orange and mix of red. So you can have a more understanding of these colors by going to the actual HTML color site, means the color would be available, and where you will also get these values. Okay, but why it's showing like a background color? Because I have written here background color. If I want that my text should be of this color, I would write here color and this value, only color. Okay, Next one was, again it was background color tomato paragraph. That does lorem ipsum means it is just a random text that you can directly take out from the Google and just write it down. If you're just practicing, you can use a random text to save your time. Okay, now let me go to my third topic, that was HTML images. Why we use HTML images in our code? Images are used to improvise your web pages. Means it looks beautiful when we open it and we see some images. Like if I give you any example, like if we open any site like website or any website like Facebook, when we open a Facebook, you can see that sometimes we see our Facebook logo or any type of the image. It give us a very nice impression, so we want that our HTML should have the images. Okay, next one was, if you want to include any image into your web page, first the image should be either in JPG form or GIF form or PNG format. Okay, now the fourth part is that you have to embed it into your web page. How you can do that? It's very simple. Just you have to write the syntax image source URL. Third, it does not need a closing tag. What does that source means? Source defines the address of the image. Okay, let me show you how you can do that. See, HTML image, this first step was you have to save your file in a particular format. It can be into a JPG format or it can be into your PNG format. See, I have here download one image from the Google and it is in the JPG format. You have to first only download the file and save it to your folder. Now what you have to do, just go into your code and you have to write image source download1.jpg. Okay, this should be the same name you have given the name to your image. Okay, now what does this alt means? Alt means not found. Alt here describe alternative. I guess if my image is not present, what should be visible on my page? Okay, first of all I will show you how it works. Let me open my web browser. See, this is the image that I have saved. Okay, now alt means alternative, right? Let me change this name to download 2. Now it's not available to my it's not available in my desktop. Now let me open my web browser and refresh it. See, not found. Alternate means the alternate text you will provide the user so that if your image is not there, he can easily or she can easily find the image. Okay, so now next part is background images. What does the background images means? Background images means that you want that your background should be of particular image. Okay, how you can do that? It's a very simple CSS property. You have to just only write background image and you can do that. I guess you should do this with yourself and I will explain it in my next video how you can do that. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe.